Have you ever wondered how your spoken words are transformed into precise, actionable text? Let's take a closer look. It all begins with a simple step: upload your audio or video file. Seamlessly and effortlessly, our advanced AI takes over, analyzing every sound, every word, with unmatched accuracy. Whether it's a podcast, a meeting, or a lecture, MegaTranscript handles it all with ease. In just moments, your audio comes to life as clear, editable text. Need subtitles or documents in multiple formats like SRT, VTT, or PDFs? We've got you covered. With support for over 90 languages and fast, natural-sounding voices, we bridge the gap between spoken content and actionable formats. Reliable, efficient, and designed to simplify your workflow. Transform the way you work with audio and video today. MegaTranscript, bringing your words to life.